how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps. And let's get started. Let's go to Snapchat. And as you can see, here is the main camera screen of Snapchat. Now, what we need to do is go to the chats. And let's go to the friend that you want to unfriend. So now once you open the chat, click on the name from the upper left or the avatar. Click on the three dots in the upper right, which are the settings. You have many settings here, as you can see: privacy settings, location settings, story settings, and chat settings. But what we need, as you can see, the first option, which is manage friendship. And as you can see, you can report this contact or block it, or edit the name for your chat, or just click on remove friend. Once you click on remove friend, you need to click and confirm it again. Click on remove, and once you click on remove, now this friend is gonna be unfriended. And that's it. It was very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.